Alright, hello, hello. Welcome guys sa ating weekend kapihan. And this is me, Mr. Foxy, and I am with my friends. Introduce natin isa-isa. First is EJ.
Hey, hey,
EJ,
hey! What's up?
and we have our so-cards in charge, si Ivy. Hello, Ivy. Low bandwidth si Ivy.
Hi, good evening.
Hey.
And we have
Stock.
our guest for the second time around, Attorney Annie.
Good evening.
And meron tayong bagong guest, fresh from, I don't know saan galing, but she's a law student as well. By Hannah.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Alright guys, so kumusta kayo isa-isa? EJ, how's your week?
Ayos lang, dude. So, nagpahuway gid whole week. Balay lang, balay and work. Yun. Kailangan sagap new energy. Naks.
May games ka or do you have anything from events?
Okay. Oo, sa December naman, kay World Championships, preparing naman para dito.
World Championships. Anong name ng game?
Spartan na naman. So, yeah, mabigat.
Hindi man
Kaya
playing
Mhm.
games with my heart.
Ay, hindi tagid na paghampangan. Naks.
Attorney Annie, how's your
Right.
week?
Kapoy.
Bakit?
Gikafuy ako. Social battery is very, very, very low.
Social battery is low pero nakikita ko si Attorney always nagre-reels.
Yeah.
Uh,
Reels is life.
are you planning na magkaroon ng ads on Reels?
Kung kikita siya, why not?
Yeah. Bye, kamusta Bye? Ang ating special guest, Bye, kamusta?
Sana all special. Hello. So far weekend, may weekend ba? Uso ba yan? For law student, I guess, medyo busy, especially malapit na yung bar exam. So, as a student, law student who also supports their seniors, syempre, medyo busy for the planning sa bar operation, but not really like bar operation, but the bar support din sa mga barristers. And hopefully, maraming pumasa or maraming papasa from my school. So, later siguro, no? If you'd ask further mo kung saan school, pwede ba yan siya sabihin?
Sure. Anyways, wala namang nakikinig. So, okay lang. Kung gusto nyo mag-advertise,
Exactly.
guys, okay
Trip.
lang. Wala naman talaga makikinig. Pero Bay, ano yung mga preparations nyo for bar operations? Just a quick glance.
Syempre, yung mga kits na dadalhin no mga barristers during their examination, ano pang pwedeng motivation, pwede ding during kasi parang uso yung culture of bar salubong during the last day of their bar exam. So, ano yung pwedeng gawin? Pwede magpa-dinner, pwedeng salubong. Pero supposedly, bawal talaga yung bar salubong. Pamit na lang siguro yun.
Oh.
So, yeah. Basta anything that could help our barristers for the preparation sa kanilang bar exam. Kasi ang bar exam now is scheduled on September 17, 20, and 24. So, last day is 24. So
1 year
maraming... Yeah, after a year. Next year naman. So, yung next na bar exam. So, once a year lang nagkakaroon ng bar exam.
So, for the information of everyone, medyo malapit din kasi sa akin yung school nila Bay. Not malapit in distance, malapit din sa puso ko. SKSU College of Law naging partner ng club namin for a free legal aid fair. So we are conducting, they are conducting, but we're just supporting them for providing legal aid fair dito sa SOC Sergeant or anyone in South Cotabato, even OFWs. So we are supporting. So hopefully next year we could cater more and more constituents dito sa SOC Sergeants. So yun lang. And
Yep. It's a good effort gani, dude, di ba?
yes,
It's a
and of
good effort.
Mhm.
and marami na one of the requirements din kasi ng law students third year or fourth year is they should handle cases, right, by
So, parang papasok siya sa clinical, ah, parang clinical legal education program, in which parang aside from harnessing siguro yung capacity of the students to handle future cases, ganyan, it also gives way na
Mhm.
parang ma-expose and at the same time, help na din dun sa kung sino yung magiging clientele nung student. But at the same time, hindi alone si student doon. Meron namang assisting lawyer kasi hindi naman pwedeng siya lang mismo yung mag-handle nung case or not necessarily case but
Mhm.
rather kahit na magbigay lang ng legal advice, that's already parang hours kasi yung binibilang doon eh. So
Yes.
hours of work din. Para siyang semi-internship. So, ganun yung design niya, but not necessarily an internship.
I would be interested also to interview people from SKSU College of Law soon, no? At least people will have some free legal advice then on air, but a little bit hindi naman talaga yung medyo mga complicated cases, but mga basic cases like I want to change my name sa birth certificate or about VAUSI or about SK elections ngayon. So it would be good to know different laws or anything na kailangan malaman ng mga constituents ng SOC Surgeon in their daily lives. That would be a good part then. And of course, I won't forget EJ's first podcast about fitness.
Yeah, let's launch it soon.
Yeah, kasi ako nag-start na din ako ng my fitness journey. So, 1 hour ako sa gym every day.
Wow.
10 minutes na treadmill, 20 minutes na hingal, then 30 minutes na hika. So, 1 hour ako sa gym.
Crazy, dude. Pero ayos mo na, 1 hour sa gym. Actually, ang unang recommended gid, not more than an hour. So, yeah.
Mm.
Kahit ba sa relationship dapat 1 hour, dapat wag sobra-sobra din yung attention na ibibigay mo.
Yeah, dude, pamiss din, no? Pamiss din minsan.
Kasi dapat ma-miss ka din. Di ba, Bay?
Amen.
Ansa man?
No,
Can say bye.
Let's go to
na,
the next.
Bisaya or ka ng nickname?
Next, Ivy. Ivy's low bandwidth. Let's proceed with Nash. Nash, how is your week?
Nothing. Char lang. I've been into intermittent fasting for, sabihin natin, 6 day.
Uh-huh.
And nag-try ako na walang sugar intake. Natural sugars lang, rice, mga fruits, ganun. Pero walang sugar na from processed food.
Bakit
And
ka
you know what?
intermittent fasting, Nash?
Lose weight
Oh, okay.
and to learn more para magkaroon ng focus.
Mm.
At saka, syempre, kung sakali kasi may malaking tiyan ko, so inaisip ko baka mabawasan or something na mabaliktad yung, ano yung ginatawag ko na, yung insulin resistance, parang ganon. So, itry ko baka mabawi or mag-body changes, something ganon. Health conscious, parang ganon.
Ilang hours ka nagfa-fasting, Nash?
16 hours.
16 hours, so you have a window 8 hours para kumain.
Gi-follow ko lang yung sa app na na-download ko na Go Fasting. Tapos parang meron siyang questionnaire. Tapos nagbigay lang sila ng recommended hours. So gi-follow ko lang yun siya.
Okay. Pero with your choice of food, meron ka bang mga let's say, bawal na food ngayon?
Yung kwan lang, yung sa akin normal lang na food, wala pa yung gina-recommend talaga. Bali, parang sa akin lang is avoid ko muna yung sugar. Parang
Sugar,
gitry ko
yeah.
muna for a week. Don't eat any sweet na candies or kung ano-ano na processed food na candies, mga ganun.
How about
And-
rice nash or mga soft drinks?
Meron pa rin ako rice pag tanghali. Soft drinks, wala ako nagkuhan. Kasi gina-push talaga na kuhan lang, water intake. Pero yung may mga juice ka man, pero hindi man kasi maiwasan din. So, hindi ko biglain. Like, yung ginasabi nila EJ na wag mong biglayin katawan mo. Huwag kang diretso mag low carbs, parang ganun.
Ganyan
Yeah,
naman talaga. Huwag ka dapat bigla-bigla. Huwag ka ma-fall agad. Huwag kang
Prepare ka muna. Yeah.
prepare.
Pero
Prepare.
in terms of that, kailangan ibigyan mo ng time yung katawan mo to adjust. Yeah,
Yun.
adjust
let's-
muna.
Adjust. Okay. Now let's proceed with Ivy's questions. Pero a problem is low ang kanyang bandwidth. So let's have it on my end. Sabi daw ni Ivy, lahat naman kailangan ng adjustment period.
Pero, Kuya Nel, alam mo ba
Yeah.
kung ano yung pinaka-effective way para ma-follow mo talaga yung intermittent fasting?
Alam ko. Dapat wala
Alam
kang
mo.
pera.
Pag
Pag wala kang
malayo pang
pera,
feeding.
mafa-force ka talaga. Okay, let's start with some questions. We will be give a number and Ivy will send questions. Alright, start tayo. Sino yung magbibigay? Bye. Give us a number and I will choose a question.
Sige, 3.
3. Kunwari, nagka-count ako. Ivy. Alright, I have a question. Dapat lahat sasagot, ha? What is one thing your exes probably miss about you?
What?
Excess?
Balik
Uh,
excess dude.
I invoke.
Ulitin ko, ha? What
What?
is one thing your exes probably miss about you? Kung wala kayong ex, yung mga niligawan niya. Yun, ha? Okay, umpisahan natin kay Attorney Annie.
Huy, mabuko ako ni Kuya.
Wala, laglagan na. Go.
Ay, go lang, oy.
Well, I have excess.
How
Ano ba?
many?
Secret.
Ex-crush lang, oy.
Good.
What they would probably miss about me, siguro yung lambing. Malambing talaga ako. Super.
Oh.
Malambing pa sa malambing. Yung tipong pinapawisan na siya, ipapat ko ng handkerchief or tissue.
Oh, hindi haram
Or-
yan? Hindi haram?
Technically it is.
Joke.
Or yung point na pag kumakain kami,
Mm.
minsan pag kukuha ko ng tubig, kukunan ko din siya ng tubig, ganon.
Sana
Mhm.
all.
Ganon ako ka-sweet.
Si attorney pala parang maid. Kung kailangan mo ng tubig.
Tapos, birthdays are very special. Yan, for me.
Ano yung pinakamahal na nirigala mo sa ex mo?
Oh my gosh. Pinakamahal,
Yes.
Adidas na rubber shoes.
Wow, sana all. Nash, alam mo yan, Nash? Kuya?
Hindi
Hindi.
yan alam.
Kuya react.
Ay, pero ang balik naman sa akin, necklace.
You.
Ala.
Gold.
Gold necklace.
Pero ang question ko, Sa sobrang lambing mo, nagre-regalo ka ng Nike shoes. What happened?
Ah, um, what happened? Huwag na nating balikan. Siguro not the right not the
Mm,
right person. Yun lang. Hindi
yun.
sila yung right person for me.
Yun. Well, minsan nga it's not the time na nagstay kayo or whatever. Minsan akala mo siya na, pero God will give you something much better or something you deserve. Malay mo hindi mo alam
Yes.
ngayon bakit hindi naging kayo. But that's
Alam ko na why.
ano,
Alam
why?
ko na. There's an ex kasi na yung siguro second boyfriend ko to.
Oh,
At
so
that
more than
time,
two. More than
secret.
two.
Secret. May time na he was really broken. Like pag namatay ang dad niya, tapos meron siyang mga bisyo. Yung ano pa ako nito, 18 years old, yung mga moment na I can change the man, mga ganong
Yes, yes. Idealistic
mindset.
pa tayo, no?
Yeah. Tapos hindi pala siya tamang mindset na hindi mo mababago ang person if hindi niya rin babaguhin yung sarili niya.
Yup,
Correct.
true. Kasi nga you cannot help someone kung hindi naman nila gusto tulungan sarili nila, di ba? It's
Right.
like that. Yeah, it
Pero
goes both ways.
18 years
Yeah.
old pa lang pala si attorney, nakadalawang boyfriend na siya. Yun ang facts na nalaman ko. Next, thank you, Attorney Annie. Next, by Hannah. What is one thing your exes probably miss about you?
Hello po. Parang gusto ko sabihin na I invoke my right to remain silent.
Wala, open dito, no?
Wala namang
Oh,
naming Pero alam namin, wag kang magsinungaling. Kilala ko ex mo.
Okay. So far, siguro, wala. Wala akong
Hello.
maisip na something
Dun, dun, dun,
that they
dun.
will miss about me. Probably sometimes kasi I'm bubbly.
Oh, yeah.
Then I'm not really that so caring, or unlike Attorney Annie na parang hands-on sa person. So parang sakto lang, saktong attention, saktong kasi bata pa eh. So
Yes.
similar to Attorney Annie, mga around siguro. I was only 17 or 18 that time. So very young.
Ex ba yung pinag-uusapan natin?
Secret.
That was in college?
Yeah, that was in college. That's long term din. Pero very, very very mature during the time. I guess, similar din kay Attorney Annie na parang, pinipilit. You're just forcing it because, one, maybe because, dugay na. Ikadua, you're very idealistic na the moment you perceive that person as your person, parang ganun, parang you are compelled. You are parang mandatory sa'yo na, okay, I have to stay because, sayang yung pinagsamahan, etc. So, parang ganun, sa pilitan siya. But one thing that they miss about me is yung bubbly. I'm a kid inside. So when I interact with them, I used to parang bata good na laro, ganyan, hampang sangkan, pati heart hinampangan. I tried.
Like may lambing-lambing laruan. Ouch.
Not really. Kasi diba, during college, medyo hilig ko sa mga anime, hilig ko sa mga games, ganyan. So, feeling ko ang quality time is playing games, playing or watching anime, parang ganyan. So, very child ang kan. And hindi naman child yung anime, but rather yung approach is fun pa.
Oo, ako
More on
nanood ako
fun
ng
rather
anime.
than taking things seriously. Taking
Yun.
things seriously. Good.
Pero matanong ko lang ba,
Lang
same question with Annie. What happened?
differences.
Big question.
No? Gulat
Kaya
ka
mong
pa.
sagutin.
Tinanong na kanina.
Differences
Of
in
course, we
perspectives.
grew, perspective at the same time. Syempre, magkaiba kami ng field.
Mhm.
Iba yung program niya. Iba din yung program ko during college. Plus, pressure na din. So, syempre, as a person na pressured by a lot of things, hindi mo na siya kayo maisip. Hindi mo na masyadong naiisip na I would prioritize this kasi
Mhm.
I have to make sure that una muna yung studies, una muna yung
Yes.
ganito. So, dun na kami, syempre siya, yung kwan kasi yung parang long term. Nauna kasi siyang gumraduate sa akin.
Aha.
So, syempre, ang priority niya is work and family. Tapos, ako naman, isang priority ko is yung studies kasi that time, OJT and stuff. So,
Mhm.
I don't have time to, invest myself more to that. And siya din. So, dun na-fall apart. And, syempre, they say na
Mhm.
parang, mas na, kasi nga kulang na yung time, mas na-attract doon sa, syempre, malapit. So, that's it. So, ayun.
Proximity, no? Mas madali tayong ma-love if you're closer.
So, tapos may mga common denominator. Kumbaga may mga common things sila na they do. So, siguro doon nagkaroon ng attraction. But I have no kana doon sa person na pumalit. I have
Iniyakan mo
no-
ba, Bay?
Required ba?
Speechless. Speechless bigla.
Ikaw yung guest? So, ikaw yung tatanungin?
Parang na-hot seat bigla, no? Na-stress. Of course.
Welcome to the
Of course
podcast.
naman. Siyempre, napo-pressure ka. Of course naman. Siyempre, you invested emotions
Yes.
to that person din. So, hindi mawawala na at some point, kahit na alam mo sa sarili mo na wala nang patutunguhan, char.
Char.
Wala nang patutunguhan. But at the same time, you are din ano bang right word to this? Parang you still feel something towards that person and medyo nasasayangan ka din ng kaunti. Nung hot seat ako.
Marami pa akong tanong pero skip ko muna.
Amo na
Okay,
dire, so
next.
be prepared.
Be prepared. Next to EJ. What's one thing that your exes probably miss about you?
Siguro the way na maghatag ko ng quality time ng, syempre, attention and everything. So it's like, ano gani next?
Ano yung mamimiss niya sa'yo? Yun.
The way I give quality time kay, syempre, sa ako nabi, kung ang tao ara, syempre, give them your attention, give no distractions kung kunyari, if you're building something, yan. That's it.
Pero dude, same
Sure.
question sa kila Attorney Annie tsaka kay Bab. What happened?
Syempre kay LDR, so, misunderstandings, yun. So, nagpalayo gani, and then little by little, nadula na. So,
Kilala ba namin?
I think kilala nyo.
Ako kilala ko.
Nag-iisa
Bay?
lang kasi.
Kilala namin.
Budlabi kong first, no? Damo-damo nakabalo.
First love never dies daw. Ika nga.
Yan eh. Damo nakabalo ba?
So same
Sige.
pala din reason
Yeah.
kay Bay, no? It's the proximity.
Yeah.
Malaking
Actually,
factor.
kung layo abe, so iba na eh. Iba na ang understanding nyo, tapos time zones pa. And then, ambot? Hindi ko lang magets kung it's either busy na gid sila or they invested little time or yun.
Actually,
Yung may, yeah, go.
actually kami LDR kami for I think 8 years to 10 years.
Yeah, actually it works for some. Kasi syempre, kung ginahatag mo man focus mo din, I think it's not going to be an issue. Pero wala mo na, if there's someone else, then
Yeah.
there's the problem. Yeah, yun.
Ivy, naririnig mo kami or kung saan ka man naroroon?
Uy.
Please respond.
Where you at?
Nakamute si Ivy. Sige lang. Her
Pero
spirit
I'd
is
like
with
to add
us.
kay Kuya EJ.
Go, bye.
Oh,
I'd like to add to
yeah. Ang
Kuya
bandwidth
EJ
ko,
na
very
parang,
low.
baka siguro, ay, parang si Atty. Ivy.
Go, Ivy. What would your ex miss about
go ahead.
you?
Attitude.
Anong klaseng attitude dyan? Positive or negative?
I think it's both, positive and negative. Masyado akong yung loose.
Loose
Too
ka na.
loose. Like, I've only, yun lang, hayaan mo lang siya. Ganun lang. Like, the person should know what's right from wrong, wrong from right. So, wala kang expect sa akin. Hindi kita pagagalitan kung late ka umuwi. Walang ganun. Pero, I will end the relationship if it's recurring. Pero magsasabi ako, sabi ko, I don't like this. Tapos, pag sabi ko, this will be, dapat hanggang second ka lang. Kasi pag the third time you do it, wala na akong sasabihin and it's the end. Parang ganun. Siguro that
Nakakatakot naman
would
si
be
Ivy.
one. Kasi hindi man lahat ng babae kasi, yung, hindi lahat siguro ganun. Yung parang free ka lang.
Oo. Dapat din naman.
Gives you freedom and all that.
Pero ang tanong, Ives, what
Yeah,
happened?
because, what happened? We were like, the perfect, sila yung parang right person at that moment. So, after those moments or those season, we are not like perfect na for each other. So, we had our own mga choice, growth, and it didn't match na. Or we were just destined to meet at that season and be each other's partner just to, parang i-ready yung bawat isa for the next phase sa buhay. Something like that. Yun.
Pero ngayon, meron na bang tao na feel mo destined for you to be with?
Na.
Yan, sagutin mo yan.
If now, yes.
Malalim.
Every time kasi quiz may karelasyon ako, feeling ko destined eh. But the answer to like a lifetime, to spend a lifetime with does not rely kasi sa akin. I just really have to let the Almighty let me know na if it's about time. So for so long as I'm in the relationship, I would have, ang feeling ko, I have the responsibility to take care of it, to handle it well. And if it will go wrong, try to mend it. And if not, then end it. Parang ganon.
Try to mend it, but if it will not work,
End
if it will not work, then just end it.
Correct. Merong concept yan eh, na pag palugi ka na ng palugi, cut the business na. Yun. Nash! Let's go to Nash.
Oo. And if it's not healthy enough for you, just tap them out. Go, Nash!
Si Bay may gusto siya i-add dito kanina.
I-share mo na yung kay Bay.
Share mo
Sige,
na kay
Bay.
Bay.
Anong ma-add mo, Bay?
Ay, ang i-add ko lang sana, kasi syempre, at some point, you grow apart din, especially if layo-anay or magkalayo. So, you also grew apart. Syempre, ibang environment niya, iba din yung sa iyo. So, most probably, you grow apart. Yun lang din sana yung add ko. Anyway, sige, balik na kay Kuya Nash.
Go, Nash. Go, Nash.
Ano nga yung question ulit? Hindi ako nakarelate.
Hoy, nakarelate ka.
Uh-huh.
Maskin crush lang yan, go lang.
Oo, anong na-miss ng mga ano sa'yo?
Naka-crush sa'yo, ni-crushan mo.
Sa akin, hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko naman
Ay, alam
kinatanong.
ko. Alam ko.
Ayun, the lawyer will answer for
Oo.
his client. Go.
Mapagbigay kasi yan siya if a person is very special kay kuya, talagang attention,
Uh-huh.
gifts. Yan ang
Uh-huh.
kanyang tawag nito, yun yung kanyang language of love. Gifts.
Ako ang narinig ko lang doon sa last ko na binigyan. Pero hindi galing sa kanya ang salita, galing sa mga kasama niya sa work. Ang sabi nila na miss nila na magbigay ako ng milk tea sa lahat.
Oy, Nash, pabigyan mo naman kami, Nash,
Instant
next time.
blowout ba?
Wow, ibang level,
Bash
kuya.
for
Hanggang sa
mayor.
Nash for mayor. Attorney
Oy,
Annie,
one
meron
time
bang
lang yun.
Attorney Annie, meron bang special kay Nash ngayon, as in now?
Ngayon, meron ba, Kois?
Secret.
Wala, masikreto siya ngayon. Baka ma-jinx daw.
Yeah, okay. We will support you, Nash, all the way.
Malaman lang yan. Huwag na
Alright, proceed tayo sa next question. Nash, pick a number.
5.
5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yung tanong. Given an unlimited budget, how would you plan your own funeral? Given an unlimited budget, how would you plan your own funeral? Who wants to go first? Attorney Annie.
Morbid as it sounds, pero we have to accept the fact that death is our destination.
Yes.
Kaya, if I have unlimited
Unlimited. Ever-flowing.
budget, sa Islam kasi within 24 hours dapat malibing ka na.
Oo.
Siguro i-prepare ko lang yung lot kung saan ako gusto mailibing.
Mhm.
And then siguro by that time i-prepare ko yung savings account ng family members ko na maiiwanan ko. Tsaka similar to sa last week na episode, yung if it is your last 24 hours, siguro nakapag-charity work na rin ako before kong mamatay. And siguro kasi hindi naman pinaglalamayan kasi sa Islam eh. Siguro kung sino yung pupunta sa funeral ko, magkakaroon siya ng blessing because na-remember niya pa ako. Ganon.
Ayun. Ayoko mag-joke.
Sensitive much.
Sensitive much. Napaka-serious naman ang tanong. No?
Malalim yung yung question.
EJ.
Mapatindog ko castle kung din ko ginlubong. With defenses and then my shrine. So, a fun way to answer it lang, mga muna. Okay, though it's about legacy then. So, if you have left something, then make something that people can remember you by, or something that when they can see it, they could remember your legacy, the legacy that you left. Do mga muna ba? Ayan.
Yun. Bye.
Kasi parehas lang kami ng culture and religion ni Attorney Annie. So, ganun din. Mag-a-add lang din ako na parang I wish I could establish siguro an organization who will continue kung ano tong mga ginumpisahan ko na parang life advocacies. So, probably, kag gusto ko gid nga magpatindog sa mga masjid. I guess Attorney Annie would also agree na namin gid magpatindog ka sa masjid and then
Yes.
magkaroon ka ng school for those pero sa bungabi kay ang trend kay balanced education, which means may arasang may Ilonggo, haligay nun. Merong school, ang school is hati siya. So, my half of the day or half of the class is all about Arabic teachings or Islamic teachings. Tapos half of it is secular or Western knowledge naman ang ginagain nila. So, daan mo na, ang ako niya dream. So, probably, if I have unlimited na kung ano, ibutang ko sa last will and testament ko nga dito siya ibutang. Additional itong maging in addition, yung mga shinare din na Attorney Annie.
That's a good
Yeah.
plan. Pero sana wag ka
That's
pang
nice.
kunin ni Lord. Ang kaganda ng plan nyo guys, pero sana wag pa kayong kunin ni Lord. Yun lang. Ivy! Sige lang, i-cut ko lang ito.
Loading.
Ivy!
Loading.
Hello? Quiz. Babatian niyo ko?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes.
Hamba lang ko diretso.
Hamba lang diretso.
How would I plan my funeral? Paspasan ko lang. Mag-ano ko, like, I will say, or call them, or video call everyone that I love, and everyone that are so dear to me, and thank them for everything. And then, ipang-activate ko na itong akon nga maging pangbayran nga lubnganan, ang akon nga St. Peter, mga ganun. Ibilin ko tanan. Tapos, I would want na, I would ask everybody na to party because my death should be like a dedication to heaven. Parang i-send off ko nila sa heaven. Pero, I want my last minute or last 1 hour na ara lang ko sa beach. Nang pretty lang ko, tapos ara na ko sa beach. Tapos, last ko lang nga mabatian is ang waves, ang last ko na ma-feel ang hangin. Ganon.
Nice. Oh, Nash.
Tapos sila na bahala.
In a fun way, fly me to the moon. Shower my ashes to the moon. Joke. Sa Islam kasi kailangan within 24 hours, so ibalik talaga yung katawan mo, not in the moon, in the earth dapat. Wala akong any balak kasi you are leaving your space na, so everyone after ilang weeks, months, or after some time magbalik to normal din naman yung mga tao. So ang sa akin lang siguro mag-iwan ng legacy, not that much, pero sa akin would spend time sa mga friends, sa mga relatives and everything. Yun kasi yung parang kayamanan na unlimited, not cash.
It's the relationship.
Yes. And would say na wag silang mag-iyak. Kasi sa akin, kasi yung namatay yung lolo ko, sinabi sa amin na never wag talaga mag-iyak sa funeral. Kaso lang, nung namatay siya, nag-iyak ako ng todo-todo.
Sino ba naman hindi maiiyak, di ba? When you lose
Yes.
someone you love.
Pero yun lang sa akin, simple lang. Para sa akin, dapat everyone is happy rather than be sad. So make yourself be happy and everything like that. Kasi
Diba?
within 24 hours lang naman yung kuan. So yun lang.
Matanong ko lang ha, in Islamic belief, why 24 hours? Who can answer?
Ang pagkaalam
Kay
ko, para
wala.
hindi kainin ng aswang.
Siguro kan.
Bye.
Kan kasi siya, hindi kami inimbal sama.
Mm.
So, walang embalming sa amin. So, syempre, mag-deteriorate kaagad yung body if hindi siya malibing in 24 hours. Tapos, very simple lang din kasi ang
Yes.
libing Hindi na yung parang inaalis pa yung organs, etc. Pinapaliguan yung
Mm-mm.
dead body.
Mm.
Tapos, balutin siya ng white na tela and then
White na
ilinibin
tela.
na. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Dude,
Sano kasi?
Felix is here.
Felix is
Uy,
here!
Felix.
Felix the cat is here!
He's loading. So
Connecting
i-ask kang X.
audio.
I-ask kang X.
Tatanungin ko siya lahat-lahat.
May
In-
hot seat na.
In
Mabigla.
addition pala doon kay
Yes, Attorney Annie.
sa shinare ni Bai, kaya bawal paglamayan because dapat yung loved one or ikaw na namatay should be celebrated kasi you have parang it's there's a presumption na you have lived a beautiful life, everything is provided by Allah for you, ganon. And it's your destiny na at ganong age ka or at ganong moment ka namatay. And kaya din hindi nagsa-celebrate ng birthdays sa Islam kasi it's as if you're counting your days
Mhm.
towards your death, ganon.
So hindi
Kaya
kayo
ganun ang explanation
nagse-celebrate ng
why.
birthday?
Hindi.
Yeah. Ano lang siya,
No.
Western modern times na lang yung birthdays. Pero in technically and kung Islam believer ka talaga, bawal mag-celebrate ng birthdays. Kasi parang countdown na daw yun towards your death.
Also,
Yes, bye.
to add with that, Kuya Nel, kasi bawal yung annual celebration except for 2 annual celebrations. We only have 2, which is yung Eid al-Fitr at saka yung Eid al-Adha. Yung Eid al-Fitr, yun yung katapusan nung parang 1 month fasting. And then after that, yung Eid al-Adha, yan naman yung sa mga, correct me if I'm wrong, that's for those who have went to Makkah and did their Hajj or pilgrimage. Kapag tapos na yun, Eid al-Adha na. Tama ba? Kaya Nash? Attorney?
Pero,
Yes.
pero bakit bye? Bawal pala pero ba't ka nagse-celebrate ng anniversary?
Anniversary. Aling
monthsary.
anniversary yan. Aling monthsary yan.
Nakasanayan.
Huli ka ba?
Juan, kasi tayo, wala tayo sa Middle
Dude,
East.
pag mahal mo, hahamakin mo lahat.
At saka, napansin ko kasi, hindi tayo sa Middle East. We are Asian Muslim, so we have different culture versus sa Middle East. Middle East mismo may sarili silang culture na with the set of vowels and on other things. Tapos meron din tayo dito. Pinagbawal nila yung balot sa atin dito, pero sa kanila kumakain sila ng yung desert lizard. Like sabi ko, ha?
Yep, true.
Bawal yung balot? Bawal yung balot dito? Sa atin?
Actually,
pinagbawal ng mga Islamic leaders, mga nag-educate ng Islam. So pinagbawal nila yung balot. Pero sila doon sa kabila, desert lizard. Like ko, weird.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yan
Same
Kasi
here.
Sa
bawal.
tuod man, I think aside from being a religion, nagaano man siya sa tribal or sa cultural aspect. So it's like inclusivity naman. But then if if it contradicts with the tribal culture, then it can be put into your religious law.
Actually, right si Kuya EJ. Medyo tama yung kay Kuya EJ, no? Pero ikukuhan ko lang siya na most likely the reason why may aras ang merong religion, it's because to eliminate those tribal or cultural practices na daw, ang purpose naman talaga is parang nagiging worship siya into other gods except for the parang may concept kasi na may supreme and only almighty God sa Islam. So to eliminate those kind of practices, nag-establish ng this is the fixed religion, it's called Islam and etc. So the main objective, isa sa mga parang objective din is to eliminate those kind of practices that harms or that would try to question the kumbaga the oneness, the alone ni God or sa Islam is ng Allah. So ganun.
May iba ako guys ha. Let's welcome Felix.
Yay!
Felix the
Hey,
cat, what's
kuya!
up, what's up?
I'm late, but it's never too late.
Yeah, since you're late, we have
Since
a
you're
special
late,
something for you.
Meron kaming dalawang question that you need to answer. Sumagot na sila lahat. So, ikaw na lang, dude.
Okay.
Felix, what's one thing your exes probably miss about you?
My goodness.
Yun!
Yan ang ginapangita naman yung reaction, dude. My goodness.
Babaan ko yung music para marinig. Go.
Can I have 15 minutes to gather my thoughts? Like,
Dude, 1 hour ka nang late, dude.
Recess ka agad ba?
well, ano siguro moto proprio siguro sabihin ko na pagiging always there.
Yeah.
Tapos that's one. And second, they can always count on.
They.
They can
They.
always count on
Marami.
Grabe ba? Dami-dami naman.
I am expecting your reaction, so I emphasize. I put the underline in the word they.
Dude, may isa akong follow-up question with them. Itatanong ko rin sa'yo. What happened?
Pwedeng i-ano natin, particulars?
Napaisip. May masagasaan ako.
Bakit sila naging ex?
I think it's part of growing up.
And
That's my best answer to the question kasi swerte yung mga tao na they started their relationship maybe from high school years hanggang ngayon sila pa rin. Those are lucky people, and then maybe I can say that they are meant to be, but it's sad, or maybe it's a fact of life that for people like us, for people like me, it's not the case. So I just consider those things as part of growing up.
yeah, showbiz na showbiz yung sagot ni Felix. Part of growing up. And then we just grow apart.
Yeah, we grew apart for the better.
Showbiz.
May gusto ko yung itanong before ko i-ask
Oo,
yung...
may gusto akong i-follow up question kay Kuya Felix.
Go.
Among
Isahin.
them,
Na-extend.
Among them.
I think if you have
gusto ko yung question ni Tainel kanina. So, ibabalik ko kay Kuya Felix. Among them, sino? Describe mo na lang. You don't have to name drop. I-describe mo na lang kung sino yung iniyakan mo.
Jesus Christ. I can say that for the better part of it. I cried for each and every one of them.
Boo.
When we are
Oh.
But I'm not ashamed. Kasi minahal mo din eh.
Dude, ano mas...
The big word gitong kasi
Gastak ball ba?
Speechless ako ba? Speechless.
Ay, may follow-up question ako.
Hot
Okay.
seat tuloy.
Sa
Go,
mga
attorney.
sa mga exes nyo, sino sa kanila yung nakasabi kayo na totga? Like the one that got away.
Ako,
Ah,
ako sasagot yan Wala.
Wala.
Oh, kasi I got what I wanted. Char.
Ay, sana
Yung,
all.
Oo.
you
Sana
finally found the one.
all.
Sige,
dude.
go.
At face
Sagutin
value,
mo.
parang
Ana?
parang at face value, parang mahirap
Sige, next dude. May second question kami. Given an unlimited budget, how would you plan your own funeral?
I've never been religious. I actually nung college days pa lang sa mga groups natin sa college before.
Mhm.
I think alam naman na hindi talaga ako religious. That's why my inclination is I believe in God.
Mhm.
Pero hindi to the point na yung religious na may religious fervor na kumaga pa talagang naka-center doon yung life niya naka-center sa faith. Ang sa akin kasi I believe in destiny, tapos yung destiny na yun dapat paghirapan mo para ma-achieve mo. So, dun sa question na yung sa funeral, I don't believe in the afterlife kasi. So, what's the point of enduring those formalities na namatay ka na? May mga ceremonies pa. I mean, nag-attend ako ng mga ganun.
Mhm.
But I cannot appreciate the import. But I sympathize with people. I can relate with them. It's just that the ceremonies involved in trying to celebrate a person's passing. Doon nag-stop yung empathy ko. So, for me, kung ako yung tatanungin sa ganun, it doesn't matter.
Mhm.
Actually,
Yun.
may naalala ko na movie
Aha. Ano
in
yan?
relation to funeral, yung sa The Fault in Our Stars.
Mm.
If I'm not mistaken, sabi doon is funerals are actually not for the dead, but for yung mga loved ones or the living na naiwan nung namatay.
Agree.
Yeah.
That's right. Sometimes
Eh,
And then doon may nabasa ako doon na book.
Oh.
I don't know kung makarelate si Nash, si Attorney Annie, tsaka si Bai kasi Journey to the Unseen World yung title niya. I think siya kasi yung book.
Mhm.
Doon na-open yung mind ko regarding sa death tsaka passing, kung ano yung nangyayari sa tao or sa katawan natin after passing. So parang kung baga pa nagkaroon ako ng insight and it reinforced my belief na yung ceremonies it does not really matter talaga. Kung baga pa yung nag-matter is yung ginawa mo before ka namatay. Kasi dun sa book
True.
na nabasa ko, nung nilagay na siya sa hukay, lumapit sa kanya yung mga demons, may mga snakes, may mga ano-anong klase ng monsters. Tapos, gitorture yung mind niya. Pero physically, nararamdaman niya yung torture. And then, isa sa mga tinanong sa kanya, ano ba yung libro mo? Sino yung God mo? At saka, ano ba yung managawa mo? So, yun pala yung magiging fuel mo or yung magiging passage mo, ticket mo, papunta dun sa other side of the world. So, actually, di ko tinapos basahin yung libro kasi parang sabi ko, nakaka-bother siya ba? But, give me a glimpse na, hindi importante yung observations ng ceremonies. Ang importante, how do you live your life?
True.
Correct, yun. Mas
True things,
importante
good.
kung
True.
ano yung mga how did you live your life and how did you live your
Yes.
life for others.
Yan
Actually,
yung
How do you want to be remembered?
yeah.
actually yan palagi ang sermon ng mga imam sa kapag mag Friday prayer. Always na hina-highlight yung what did you do during yung buhay ka pa. Kaya
Mhm.
always do good deeds. Kasi yun talaga yung tatatak at saka ticket mo to heaven versus yung sa mga ceremonies na
Mm-mm.
sa funeral mo.
Actually,
Ano na?
tama yung nabasa ni Kuya Felix.
Mhm.
Meron na yung documentary na there was this Muslim na namatay siya, 'di ba, wrapped in white cloth, tapos ililibing ng fully naked. And then merong lumapit na angel sa doon sa ilalim, 6 feet under the ground. Tinanong siya kung ano yung mga nagawa niya. And then, syempre,
Mhm.
patay, di ba? Ina-expect natin di yan magsasalita. And during
Mhm.
that time, nagsalita lahat ng body parts niya. Bibig, mata, kamay, feet, lahat.
So,
Ganon.
isa sa mga ano guys, no, is let's not wait for our funeral. Let's not wait to think for our funeral, kundi while we are alive, let's focus on building our relationships and
Mm-mm.
live our life the way we'd want it to live.
Yes.
Yun.
At saka good deeds.
Good deeds.
Kaya walang
Amen.
purgatory sa Islam because it's just ang patutunguhan lang is heaven or hell.
Yeah. Yun din yung nabasa ko.
Yeah, and parang a basic law of life na rin naman is like, don't just exist, live naman. Kasi it's about the people you go around with and the things that make an impact in their life. Parang ganun, the things.
Ayun. So, balik tayo kay Felix ha. Hindi hindi siya focus ngayon ha. But balik tayo kay Felix during NDMU days. Kasi majority sa atin from NDMU din or from Coronadal. Ano yung mga something na na-miss nyo NDMU days na gusto nyong balikan ngayon?
Yung mga times na hindi ka pa nagbabayad ng bills tapos may mga allowances ka pa. I mean, that's the easy answer. Pero siguro ano dude, yung feeling na it's been more than 10 years since we left college. So kumaga parang wow, where have those days gone to? Parang eh, ako hindi ako ready.
So may separation anxiety ka pa, dude, na those were like the best days of our life, no?
Kaya I envy, not in a negative way. I envy EJ kasi nakarating siya sa ibang lugar, like other country ha, na siya lang mag-isa. Eh,
Aha.
kung ako siguro dude sa ano mo, siguro hindi ako mag-last siguro kasi I don't have that kind of yung alam mo magandang term doon. Yung
Like
ability.
courage
Oh,
na lang.
yes. O to ano ba? To strive alone in other places.
Yeah. Actually, dude, di ba, ang balgaya nila, no man is an island.
Hmm.
Mm-mm.
So it's like you found your people kung diin ka subong. And kumbaga, it's a good thing kay you're getting energy from them. And kaya, yeah, wherever you are, you can strive there.
True.
Ano yung do you have plans ba or are you dreaming of going abroad then, Felix?
Kung kasama ko siguro siya, oo.
Yeah.
Na all.
Sino siya? Sino siya?
Sana all.
Ninong siya.
Wow.
Sana all may siya.
Ah.
And, Just to put it out there.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Kasama mo na ba siya ngayon?
Doon merong rules. May, may rules evidence ba? Sabi ni Fiscal, just last week, sabi niya, silence means you either agree or you may be right to refuse.
Hindi
Basta
kagalaw si
meron.
Felix. Hindi kagalaw si Felix kay may attorney na
Very
may paralegals
pasyente.
pa.
Ano kasi ako na estudyante yung, at masinop kasi ako na student, so inaalala ko lang na sinasabi ni teacher.
Pero may siya.
Well,
Bay, ano
May
nga
Classmate
yun?
sa
like
sinabi
yan.
niya, may siya.
Ano nga yun ba yung RPC natin ba? Yung 115?
ano, give
Change
us
topic,
an
change
info.
topic.
Tanungan at tanangkan, caudal provision.
Bye. What's something you miss in NDMU or something you were in college? Gusto mong balikan?
Siguro facilities ng school
Mhm,
at
like,
saka people. Like, for example, the large library. Tapos, damo tao, which
mhm.
sometimes can overwhelm me kasi I'm an abi na may pagka di ba, hambal nila walang concept ng ambivert, but I'm a little introvert then at the same time. So, similar to Attorney Annie, there are times na yung social battery ko nadadrain siya if there's a lot of people and I'm hearing a lot of voices and then chattering. But also, it's also nice to see other people sometimes lang, not all the time. So, ayun. Tapos, I also miss the canteen.
Oh, masarap yung pagkain
So,
doon.
oo, masarap yung pagkain doon. At the same time, pan siya. Talagang student budget friendly. And then, ano pa ba? Na-miss ko din yung engineering. Engineering.
Why?
Engineering
Bakit
building.
engineering? Bakit engineering
Ay.
building?
Engineering building.
Felix, ask the question.
Engineering building. Hindi kasi na-miss ko lang yung yung pataas, papunta sa laboratory, ganyan. So, syempre, maraming aparatos doon, etc. Sabay kan din.
Ano pang meron doon? Ano pang meron doon?
Syempre, kung engineering building, may engineering students.
And?
Oh,
And,
after 10 years.
Madaming gwapo sa engineering, di ba?
hindi galing sa akin.
Ay, ayan, ano yan? Ano yan?
Kaya,
Ano
di ba si Kuya
yan?
Ichi? O, di ba? Fun. Living sample.
It's a no-brainer.
Yeah, no-brainer. So,
Pero
yun.
yung library kasi sa NDMU malaki. Always ako sa third floor,
Mm-mm.
wala masyadong tao doon.
Yeah, aircon
Oh, tapos
din.
aircon pa.
Yep.
Tapos
So, parang kung gusto mo
gusto
matulog
mo?
sometimes, pwede doon, hindi ka naman sinisita. That's one thing na nagustuhan ko sa Andami Library. Kasi minsan, nung high school pa ako, tapos natutulog kami sa library, medyo pinapagalitan na dapat nagbabasa ka daw, hindi natutulog, lalo na pagtanghali. So you can go to the Andami Library, you have the freedom. Huwag ka lang maingay. Kasi masisita ka. May parang bell na ginagamit ang librarian or student. Ang maganda rin sa Andamio kasi, nag-accept din sila ng mga working student. So, yung working student doon na-assign. So, pag maingay, medyo nag-can sila, sumisita. So, ganun. And if you really wanted to study, nami ang environment sa library. Tapos, the large, tinescribe talaga ang facility. Siyempre yung
Go, go.
yung napakalaking field ng NDMU, 'di ba? So pag aakyat ka dun sa may engineering na building or tama ba? Engineering na building, makikita mo yung view nung field. Tapos kasi maganda rin sa NDMU, maraming puno. So, nai-enjoy mo din yung nature at the same time. So, yung mga na-miss ko, aside from that, yung mga activities, activities ng school, no? Ang daming activities, halos kada month, may mga activities. Tapos, syempre, pag may activity, may mga student gathering, etc. Then, no, hindi lang siya purely academic. May mga programs na na-hone yung skills, talents ng mga students. Tsaka sa VS and Con. Major in activities, programs.
EJ
Hindi
is
lang
an
student.
engineering student sa NDMU. Anong na-miss mo doon, EJ?
Sa school, I think it's, ano ba? Actually, nagtagal ako sa college ng 7 years, but the full 7 years, ang na-enjoy ko gid sa community. Like ang engineering community, ang, ano ba ni? Ang Omyana, ang engineering council, daw muna. So it's not like about stress ka sa studies, no? It's really the people and the community na nakahalubilo mo during the college years. Amo tong ako niya, ano ba? Yan na-miss sa tanan. It's like they're becoming like your lifelong friends bala. Yun.
Yun. Nash,
Ang na-miss ko, Umyana at saka yung Umyana at saka siya. Char lang.
you.
Sino yang siya?
Sino
Walang siya.
siya?
Nag-graduate na sila
Yeah,
lahat.
here.
Please answer.
Akuan. Usual. Pero kasi nagbalik din kasi ako law school. So, NDMU din na law school. So, parang nagbalik lahat yung memory lane. Pero, syempre, yung lugar, madali mo lang makita, mamiss mo. Pero mas mamiss mo yung mga tao nandun. So, iba pa rin talaga yung yung mga nakagisnan mo before na kayo, syempre kayong mga friends ko sa Unyana and everywhere. So, yun lang talaga sa akin.
Like no,
Ano, like,
makita mo kunyari itong Omniana office or ang quadrangle or ang ano ganito, itong daw stage. Maalala mo
oh,
na lang no, na na-miss ko ang bonding ng Tropa Pips diri dati ba? Dumawa mo na, no?
oh,
Oo.
ganun. Actually, yung pag-enroll ko nung first year sa law school, tinanan ko lahat sa opisina ng Unyana, sa business, then dating opisina ng Unyana sa gym, pero nag-change na kasi ang ah mga basta yung mga memory na nandoon lahat, mga na experience mo before, yun talaga yung palagi mong daan-daanan.
Cool.
Ikaw, Ivy. Nawala si Ivy?
Talagang hindi ka susuko sa akin, kuya. Marinig ako.
Loading.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
marinig ka.
Here. Yeah.
Marinig ako, boys.
Marinig ka.
Okay.
Oh,
Sumuko ka na kasi, kuya. Uy, masyadong ano ang bandwidth ko. Pero I miss a lot sa NDMU aside from you guys is library. Kasi I'm always that kind of person na I enjoy my alone time. So I don't get it why people surrounding me would be parang they are worried kapag I'm alone. When in fact, I'm having so much joy just being alone. And the third floor is correct. Nami-miss ko yung aking seat doon na up to now I could still picture out kung saan ako nakaupo every free time. Yun.
Sino ba? Bay? Tapos na si Bay. Attorney, sa inyo na lang sa De La Salle. Ateneo.
Sa Arneo, actually, I've been to two universities nung college ako. Nag-MSU Marawi pa ako for a year.
Oh.
Tapos nag-Ateneo for 4 years. So sa MSU Marawi, what I miss, not much about people kasi 1 year lang naman ako dun. But more on places like commercial center. Masarap ang pater doon. Sa taas niya, sa ibabaw niya may palapa. Sobrang sarap. And then, ano pa, yung aming grandstand as early as 6 a.m. yung PE class. As in, na-try ko yung 6 a.m. na PE class. Sobrang lamig. Kasi ano siya
Parang
ang
pag-ibig.
pag-ibig. Ganun ang, katulad ng love life ko ngayon, cold. Yun, actually sa MSU, more on places siya. Doon din ako nagkaroon ng puppy love.
Oh.
Yeah, doon
Alam mo to,
ako
Nash.
pero may asawa na siya, so yun. So
Wait, so
next,
older.
ha? Ah?
Older.
Hindi, kaedad.
Okay.
1 month lang yun. Natakot siya. Natakot siya. So when I transferred to Ateneo,
Baka may kinalaman si Nash doon.
Wala.
nawala eh. Puppy
Hindi
love
nga,
lang yun
hindi
yung
nga alam ng iba na may kuya pala yung mga kapatid ko.
puppy love lang yun, like crush, tapos nagkaintindihan, ganun. Yan.
Tapos yun
Tapos
na.
nung nag-transfer ako tapos after a month, wala na. Puppy love talaga. Nung naglipat ako ng Ateneo, na-miss ko mga tao.
Mhm.
Everyone that I've nakasama ko, classmate, acquaintance, lahat. Because sa Ateneo kasi, lots of personalities, hindi pinagbabawal ng school yung mag-cross-dress, yung mga ganon.
Oh, really?
So, yeah. Tapos kapag may school events, lumalabas yung personality ng bawat isa. Kasi parang time out mo na sa dress code. So, yon, school activities, ang daming school activities. Yung aking college org, yung Junior Philippine Association of Management Accountants. Namimiss ko sila, as in, hands down sa mga events. And then, nung nag-law school naman ako, in-enjoy ko talaga yung law school ko, as in. Hindi ko itatago na I was a drinker during my law school days. Hindi pa ako hijabi noon. I really enjoyed it kasi school receipts, 'di ba? Stress ka, nag-aaral ka, and then at the end of the day, you get to bond with your classmates, to bond with your friends over a bottle of beer. Yan, tapos talking about life, mga ano na kasi professionals yung mga classmates mo during law school. So, yung mindset iba, pero iba pa rin talaga when you stop being a student. Kaya nakakamiss maging estudyante. Happy-go-lucky ka lang, gusto mo lang pumasa. During law school, doon ko rin na-experience na okay lang pala maging na 75 lang yung score mo. Basta makapasa ka lang, ganun. And then, I've been studying kasi until I was 29 years old. So, na-enjoy ko talaga yung pagiging estudyante ko. As in, ngayon, namimiss ko talaga maging student because yung allowance, syempre, as a scholar ng parents, I can, kapag estudyante ka, medyo happy-go-lucky ka, tawag dito, hindi mo pa iniisip kung ano yung magiging trabaho mo after school, kung ano yung what the future holds. At that moment kasi pag estudyante ka, ang iniisip mo palagi na, ay ipapasa ko tong subject na to, ipapasa ko lang to, I'll make an effort na makagraduate and then makapasa ng bar, ganun. Ngayon kasi, when we become professionals outside world, and the world is very, 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 very harsh. Kaya grabe ang pagkamiss ko sa pagiging estudyante ko. Na I thought when I was a student, talking with professional students, kasi mga professionals na yung iba nag-work sa local government, may classmate ako na police, alam mo yung they are working, ako full-time student, pero there was a time during my law school days na nag-work ako sa local government, iba pa rin yung mindset ng pagiging estudyante sa pagiging professional. Kapag when you are in the real world na, you are very much exposed to other toxic people, ano pa ba mga, alam mo yung sa office setting, ang iniisip mo na lang time in, time out, tapusin yung target, tapusin yung mga pinapagawa sa'yo, mga ganun. So nakakamiss talaga maging student. Promise. Kaya yung mga law students dyan, i-enjoy nyo lang talaga.
Saan ka nga nag-law school, attorney?
I started at Ateneo de Davao and then transferred to University of Mindanao. Graduated sa UM.
Ooh.
Mm-mm.
Ba't
Wag niyo na
tumahimik na
tanungin
lahat?
bakit nag-transfer ng school.
Bakit?
Nagbakasyon lang ako sa Ateneo.
Social bakasyon lang.
Nagwaldas lang ng tuition.
Pero importante, lawyer ka na ngayon.
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
Guys, sobrang 1 hour na tayo and I could see you again next week. Any last words? Hindi naman last words. Any
Wag
last words
last
Very
words.
for last words for
Knock
tonight?
on wood.
Yan,
Siguro,
latecomer Felix, what's up?
Yeah.
Last words. Words of wisdom.
EJ,
Sino muna ako?
go,
Sige
Sir
na.
Felix.
Para mauna ako kasi nalit ako eh.
Last in, first out.
I I'm sorry for myself kasi nalito ako na pumasok. Interesting pala yung yung event na to.
Kunwari,
Next time guys, I will be early kasi medyo magulo kasi yung yung mga binabasa ko ngayon. So later ko na na-remember, ay meron palang podcast. Anyway, I just hope na tuloy-tuloy na yung ganito kasi it's a breath of fresh air kasi. Kaya nasabi ko kay Arnel, sabi ko para tao naman yung kausap ko, hindi yung papel palagi. Saka mga letters. So I
Agree.
appreciate this. I appreciate this guys. Tapos thank you din sa for lending your ear.
pati heart ipalend namin.
Si next na.
Ani,
me, last words for tonight. Ito na lang, realization for tonight. We have to really, enjoy the life that the Lord has given us every day, every hour, every minute. And then, ano pa ba? Sa mga law students nating kasama dito, enjoy. You will miss that. Yung mga receipts, yung mga pagsasabon ng teachers, you will miss that after you achieve that ATTY period. Kuan kasi, kung papasok na kayo talaga sa practice, ano na talaga, totoong-totoo na ang layo ng legal practice sa sa law school. Yon. Tapos enjoy life lang as it is. What is meant to be will happen, and what is meant to be, sige lang. No, there is much more in life. Tawag nito, kaya ang mindset ko ngayon, kung ano yung dadating, accept. Kung hindi man ma-achieve yung dream mo for now, maybe in the future. Sabi nga nila, may tinatawag na term sa Islam na qadar. Kung
Kadar.
ano talaga yung for you, it will be for you. You can change your qadar daw by prayers. So if you really, kung wala sa destiny mo or wala sa story mo na maging someone someday, you have to really pray for it. Yon.
Yeah.
Yun
Ivy,
lang.
Proceed tayo, Nash.
For me lang, before, hindi ako naniniwala sa fate.
Mhm.
Like, all logic and follow heart, parang ganun. Pero since nabigay sa akin ng ang mundo, ang universe, na it's not all logic and hearts. So, uh, idaan talaga sa prayer kasi mostly nakita ko na nagsa-success sa buhay kasama si God doon. So, lalo na sa mga law students, sa mga classmates ko, ang nakikita ko palagi is prayers, prayers, prayers. So, there are things na hindi kaya na utak lang or puso ang pagalawin. So, uh, uh, meron meron din na dapat sa buhay, ibigay mo, i- ibigay mo kay God ang chance na siya, or something na let God try to drive your will. So, kumbaga parang hayaan na natin si God na siya na bahala noon. Like, for example, kung hindi mo pa rin nakikita si the right one mo, so
Mhm.
ibigay mo kay God yun na, kumbaga, yala, ikaw na bahala para sa akin, kung sino man para sa akin, parang ganun. So, let the fate, kuan, make decide kung hindi ka, or kung hindi ka, or kung indecisive person ka, so let God decide that side of yours.
Yun. If it's meant to be, it will be.
To be.
Bye.
First and foremost, thank you for sa pilitang pagpasali sa akin dito. I'm really grateful kasi yeah, the whole week is first stressful siya in a way, but I'm enjoying it at the same time. Kasi yung work, tapos law school pa after. So, balancing life. Balancing life. And this is, as parehas kay Kuya Felix, it's a fresh air. So parang breather na din siya kasi we are able to share a little bit of our law school experience, as well as we heard law school experience then coming from Attorney Annie at saka probably kay Madam Ives. So ayun. And then na-realize ko tonight na it's okay pala to relieve or to remember some memories. And it's kind of good to talk about it with the people na nakasama mo din throughout that memory. So especially in sa school, sa mga yung mga alam pala alam ng lahat yung mga nangyari, and some sort of maybe after this may mga nga may pag-uusap ulit ganyan outside this podcast. So ayun. Tapos I also realized na we all have the opportunity to live today.
Yes.
And we have also the opportunity on how we are going to manage it, or how we are going to use this day probably to be with our family, to study, to learn, to share, to do things that we love. And I'd like also to agree with Attorney Anina. There's more to life. And now as a law student, may sinasabi sila na there's more to life than law. So hindi parang as much as possible, it's not parang hindi ibig sabihin na estudyante ka, law student ka, then lang yung focus mo. So there are other things that you can enjoy. Baka kasi sa sobrang aral, nakakalimutan mo na andyan pa yung family mo, may mga
Akala ko
hobbies ka pa
nakalimutan na
sana.
umibig.
Lo?
Hala.
Pwede naman, mga siguro 0.5%. But not your full attention, of course. Char? Kasi syempre naman,
Yun.
the other person should siguro if meron kang ganun, meron kang ganun, so nasasalip pa siya. Hindi naman bawal as long as you are able to manage your time and the other person, the other person understands your time, your schedule, and but I try to relate.
Di ba, Felix, wala namang batas na magbabawal magmahal during law school?
Wala naman. Diba, Kuya San? Char.
Walang bawal na walang batas na
Mm-mm.
nagbabawal na magmahal. Kasi,
Pero there's this culture na,
oo.
sige,
At
Kuya
saka,
Felix.
doon sa ano ba, doon sa old, ay si Attorney Annie pala dito. Yung sa old case ni, yung mulat ni Attorney Lucito, yung sabi niya na, love has reasons of its own, that only reason alone understands.
Yun.
Wow.
Pero, parang
Kuwa
Stable.
versus clave.
parang na-overturn yata yung jurisprudence na yun, pero I still adhere to that through reason. So,
Yeah. Well, they say,
Ay, advice ko,
sige, Attorney Annie.
advice ko sa may mga love life during law school, maintain. Kung pwede lang explain nyo sa partner nyo na maintain patience ka lang, go. Kasi I have this, marami ako friends sa law school na nasisira ang kanilang, tawag nito, hindi na sila nakaka-focus because of breakups, mga ganon. Meron akong isang friend na mabuti na lang very patient ang kanyang partner. Ngayon married na sila. Very patient talaga. Hinintay niya yung friend ko na yon na makatapos, maging abogado, saka nag-propose. 12 years sila, ha. 12
Wow.
years. Saka sila nagpakasal because very patient ang babae. So maintain nila. Tapos kung medyo bago-bago pa lang yung love life, less expectations muna. Minsan kung yung iba nagpa-partner law students, they understand each other pero minsan nag-aaway din. So maintain muna. Yan lang advice ko. Pero wag niyo paabutin na sa girls kasi kapag masyadong mataas na yung na-attain ng babae, it's yung love life nagre-repel na. Hindi nag-a-attract. Sa lalaki naman, it's baliktad. Kapag may title yung lalaki, mas nakaka-attract. Kaya wag niyo wag mo paabutin ng umabot sa ganitong sitwasyon.
Yan.
Katulad ko.
So may presumption.
May
Kaya
comment ka,
pag-
Felix?
ano pag ang
Intimidating.
parang bawal na magkagusto sa lawyer. May ganung klase ng stigma yung society natin kasi magiging pasanin ka na lang nung lawyer ni Miss Attorney kasi she's on top of the ladder, parang kumbaga pa nasa pedestal na siya beyond the stratosphere. Tapos ikaw lonely ka lang na guy. You cannot amount to anything.
Meron pwede sa'yo ninipot.
Ano?
Yung mga tao na walang pakialam sa title. May mga taong ganun. Kasi kung ako ang kung halimbawa may attorney siya, wala akong pakialam sa title kasi ako, para sa akin, sa lahat ng bagay, pantay-pantay.
Ang edad ko is 25 years old. Gusto ko may ano din yung boy, pero ngayon wala na. I don't care anymore.
Bahala walang title basta may label. Ganun.
Correct.
Yeah. No to situationship, parang ganun.
Parang kapi na matapang.
Kaya kang ipaglaban. Yeah. Pero katapusan, ako kasi graduate na ako sa Katipunera phase Dapat ako char lang.
Yun naman ang ipaglaban, no?
Yeah. So, diba, pinaglalaban mo na nga yung, siguro sa future, ipaglalaban mo yung mga clients mo. Then, dapat meron namang sasalo sa'yo minsan. Ay, hugot yun.
True.
Just do not be afraid to love.
Ayun.
Masayang magmahal.
Kakampi ba natin ang batas, attorney, para dyan?
Love is a different species.
Uh-huh.
It cannot be defined.
Yun.
Yarn.
Yarn.
Wala siyang katumbas na words or katumbas na bagay. Pero alam
Correct.
ko, kapag pinangakuan ka ng pakasalan ka, tapos hindi tinuloy or nag-renege yung guy dun sa promise niya, hindi ka pwede mag mag-file ng case. Pakasalan ka, you can only sue for damages. Yun na yung alam ko. So sa law, wala talagang pag-asa yung pag-ibig.
Yeah.
Mm.
Well, guys, let's discuss that on our next weekend. And thank you guys for your time. We promised 1 hour, but we have 1 minute and 45 seconds. Iba talaga pagkasama mo ang barkada. Yeah. Thank you very
Guys,
much, guys.
see you next
And
week.
till next week.
Thank you.
And
Next
always
week.
remember, walang awayan.
Love,
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 love.
love.
Laban,
Bye-bye.
laban lang.
Bye.